I'm John Trzenka, president of Aquatic Fitness Concepts, and we're in La Jolla, California, where we're putting in an AquaPro 19 as well as an elemental spa in the swimming pool of this beautiful home. The intent is we're going to be actually creating a whole aquatic fitness and entertainment area within the pool. We've put in several swim spas and pools before, but nothing quite like what we're going to do in this job.
Hi, I'm Chuck Campos reporting live from the home of Jack Porth, where we are putting in an AFS and an elemental hot tub, so you can see the progress of the job. You can see down here where the hot tub is going in. We're running plugs and electrical. It's going to be a step down there. And we actually took the curve out of the wall up top so we could have more walking room down in the swimming pool area. Back to Aquatic Fitness Television. I'm Chuck Campos, and I'm back here at our La Jolla job, where you can see we've flattened everything out, and quite the unique job. We are down in the bottom of a swimming pool, and we've got electrical in the wall, we've got brick, we've got our sump pump box there, and everything's geophyed. And then we've got our concrete pour here. And this is where the AFS will sit, up on top here. And we've got stairs over there, as you can see. And then we've got, this is where our hot tub will sit. So, great little project. Signing off, Chuck Campos. Welcome back to Aquatic Fitness Television. Chuck Campos here, going to show you where the swim spa will be being placed and the elemental. So we've got a finished product here, where we'll be setting the elemental down there. We have our sump pump box down there where it'll drain out. And then the swim spa will be placed in this area. We've got stairs coming down to, so this is an idea of what people can do to their swimming pools. As you can see, this used to be a swimming pool, and now it's going to be ready for swim spa and a hot tub and a patio, underground patio in a sense. So tune in as we put the swim spa in place. Back at the job, about ready to hook up the swim spa. As you can see, the crane here, way up there. We have liftoff. Everything's successful, ready to go. Here we are.
Swing right.
Way up there, straight up. Quite the reach. And now we're coming down perfectly into the swim spa. Or the swim spa's coming perfectly down into.
8 feet. Cable down. 8 feet. Cable down. 6 feet. Cable down.
Hot tub is, swim spa is now in place. Same job, lift number 2. And we've got the elemental, as you can see there, reading it sideways. The elemental. This should be a pretty easy lift over the home and to the back to the swimming pool. This is our first time doing the concept of putting the swim spa and the hot tub in the bottom, making a patio on the bottom of the pool, but it was very successful and very good looking job, so we can do this on your home also. We've got the elemental now in place.
Cable up 10 feet.
It's in place now. We've got it here now in place. Is the elemental and the swim spa. And as you can see, it's in the bottom of a swimming pool. So it's got a patio in the bottom we put electrical and everything like we talked about before. They'll have some furniture they can put down in there. And then when this is a finished product, they'll have some decking over there around the swim spa.
And there's Chuck Campos. He's the man that built this thing. Nice job, Chuck.
Thanks.
Hi, my name is Jack Porath. I live in La Jolla, California. I would definitely recommend Aquatic Fitness Concepts. I think they will fit your needs. They met my needs. And if they met my needs, I know they'll fit others as well, because I'm kind of a picky individual. So, they're a good company to deal with. And John Trzynka down there, the president, the owner, he's a good guy. Plus, they give you a senior discount.